Hi there, my name is Homa and today I'll be showcasing the tool maltego, which will be conducting passive footprinting today. It is a way of reconnaissance where we gather publicly available organized information about the target organization. So first of all, maltego can be installed from the website after you create an account with them. Here, I was using Kali Linux on my virtual machine and just installing maltego. The next step, once you run maltego onto the terminal, you get the dashboard like this. Log in and to create a new graph, you click new on the top left here. And I did a domain search and chose Google as the example organization. So if we right click on Google, we can view all the transforms, which are features or anything you'd like to gather information about. The first thing I did was find out the NS name of Google. And so here are the 4 results that we've obtained. The next step, what I did was enumerate it further into 2 IP addresses. So finding the IP addresses of the owner of this subdomain that we found out earlier. The next thing I did was, so from this one IP address, you can find out the email address of the owner, you can find out the geographical location. So even if you want to drill in further to other IP address, you can. The next thing I wanted to find out was the mail server, which could be found through right-clicking google.com and clicking mail server, and this was the result we found. Thank you.
Good morning, tutor. I am Sabi. I have attempted part B for this assignment. Question 1 of part B says about credential attack. The credential attack are the one where attacker gain unauthorized access to login credential. Various type of attack are social engineering attack, brute force attack, phishing attack, credential stuffing, keylogger attack, man in the middle, replay attack, input table attacks. So in first image, in this image, brute force attack is implemented using controlled environment where we use Docker. And in the next image, Hydra is used where password are saved in my text, my word list.txt. Here I am showing where this is the root folder where all my password are saved. And in the last image, there is successful completion of brute force attack is shown. So coming to next question of part B, I'm going to show the video. So part B says we have to analyze web traffic using Brubsuit. First, we have to configure the Brubsuit proxy setting. Here we are using a proxy address 127.0.0.1 with port 8080. Most of the time, this proxy is default available in Brubsuit. The next step is to configure server setting under network setting of the system. Here we need to turn on and add the proxy address and the port number which we gave in the Brubsuit and save. So once it is done, the Brubsuit again and open Brubsuit and again and turn on the interception on. When we open the web page, the Brubsuit will analyze the traffic. So coming back to the slides. Question 3 talk about the intelligent security solution based on data analytics for a company. These are behavior analytic where Exabeam is a good tool to be used. Next is security security information and event management with AI, which logs security events. Next is endpoint detection and response used for real-time monitoring. Then we have network traffic analysis, where patterns are used to detect malicious activities using machine learning. Last is phishing detection, where Confess triage tool works perfectly for phishing attack. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarabjit. My name is Sarvagya Mansrest, and I'm going to be continuing this presentation. In this assignment, I've analyzed the measures to enhance the security of data analytics. First of all, we have the security information event management. These tools collect and store logs to and event data, offering real-time monitoring to detect potential breaches. They provide insights to cybersecurity analysts regarding IT parameter activities, helping identity hazardous attacks. Secondly, we have the network traffic analysis. This process utilizes machine learning to study network data packets and identify unusual activities. It flags suspicious events as potential threats, contributing to data analytics security. Third, we have the vulnerability management system. Implementing a vulnerability management system is crucial for the security. And fourth, we have user and entity behavior analytics. In this assignment, I've also tried to analyze the benefits of descriptive data analysis and the predictive data analysis, which the descriptive data analysis helps cybersecurity specialists to identify anomalies and attack patterns in historical data, aiding in resource allocation and incident reporting and compliance. Predictive data, on the other hand, is equally crucial, enabling early threat detection, comprehensive risk management, and optimized incident report. So that will be the end of my part. I'll be handing it over to my teammate. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Joel Wilson. I'm here talking about our part 2 about data analytics, and we have done this data analytics part. Shit, फिर से करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि data analytics नहीं करना है. हमने data analytics. Let's go. Thank you, Saubhagya. I'm here talking about data analytics. Data analysis is the process of examining and cleaning, transforming, and interpreting data to extract valuables and insights that we care about. Here are some key insights that we found on sampling with the data sets we had available. Data collection is the gathering of all the data that we have available on that data set. After gathering of that particular data pre-processing and cleaning, preparing the data for handling and uh, uh, fixing missing values, right format analytics, all of this is done. And then the exploratory data analytics, EDA, investigating data used by summary and statistics. This type of visualization part where we get more insights about the data set we have available. Then we have moved to data modeling, applying a statistical machine learning techniques to build prospective regression models of clustering models depending on analytical goals, what we have to. And then we evaluate the setting performance and models of using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall and F1 score. Visualization of the data analytics is creating a visual representation of data set that we have available, and then we deploy the implementing models into real world application for decision making and automation. Then we have a continuous improvement for liberating the data analytics process to refine models and strategies, and we have come across this over here, and we have concluded it into sections, and we have summarized all the data analytics information in the paragraph above. We have took all three data sets have been analyzed. Now my friend Subbu will be talking. Thank
you. Hi, my name is Subodh Little, and today I'll be talking about Weka browsers Explorer. So in this Weka tool, it's open source machine learning software that provides a various range of tools. So working with Weka tool is really easy. So what you do is you just open the Explorer. Once you open the Explorer, it will load you a window with the Weka Explorer. So basically, what you have to do is once you open it up, uh, you can choose file or open URL. Since in our case we were given a fixed set of data sets, so what we do is we just open the URL and then go to the data set, and then you can open any data set from this data set. We did three. So let's say if you open the label, then you just copy paste the URL and then put it in the Weka Explorer tool. Once you do that, it will load you a bunch of attributes and instances. In this case, in this label data set, there's different duration. So if you want to look at the different figures, what you can do is like you can visualize all, and then you can see the different instances of a figure like this. So once you can look at that, then you can just go back at the Weka Explorer, and then over here you can see different tools. They are classify, cluster, associate, select to visualize. And classify, what you can do is you can choose a classifier. If you want to do a decision tree, what you can do is you can just click here, random tree set, and then start. It will generate a classifier output with all the information on it. And then if you want to look at the tree, you can just right click and then work at the visual tree. As you can see here, and to do that, you can also go to the Weka Explorer and then see different clusters. You can just percentage P, you can do 70, 30, or it's up to you what you want to do. And then start. And then you can also look at the cluster outputs. You can also associate, and you can do others functions on the Weka Explorer. So in our assignment, we did load the data set, and then we did different set of classification, clusterization, and the figures. And that basically what we did in this assignment. And thank you very much.